Good afternoon, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Market Strategist with RJO Futures here on September 29th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. Crude prices, we're up firm right now, trading about $1 higher. That Novi oil's trading around $94.50 a barrel. So really seeing a nice upswing here, moving higher, kind of continuation off of last week's price action. The Brent is also firmer, but only up about 18 cents. And take a look at that spread. I've talked a lot about this spread. We've really seen that WTI Brent spread narrowing. We're closing in on $2.50. So you traders that are following and watching for opportunities in this spread, give me a call or shoot me an email. There's a lot of opportunity there, and we can get into a little bit more details. Nat gas, big day here in Nat gas. We're up about 9 to 10 cents right now. It's almost a 2.5% move higher. Complex is up, but not as big. We're seeing the heat up about 0.5 cent. The RBOB's up here about 2 3/4 cents. So certainly a little bit of a firmer tone there. And when you take a look at the fundamentals in the marketplace right now, look at the dollar. The dollar's been a little bit firmer here, but yet we've got oil kind of bucking that trend here a little bit right now. S&P has been a little bit weaker. Again, oil prices kind of bucking that trend. I think oil is really moving off of last week's EIA data. We're still seeing continuation with that. Remember, last week's data that was reported here, we saw a draw in those stockpiles, and we're seeing the refinery capacity utilization levels, basically the demand that the refineries have for oil, running at much stronger than normal levels for this time of year. So, although ultimately here, when you look at the big picture for stocks, I think we've got plenty of oil out there. Short-term demand right now does seem to be a little bit stronger, and that's been helping firm oil prices up. If you also recall in some of the past several posts here, I've been talking about those technicals, and short-term technical picture was really, in my opinion, fairly oversold, and since that time we've really started to see oil prices moving higher. Now, the big question is obviously, where do we go from here? Well, my thoughts are this. I think oil prices, although we're hitting up against that 50-day moving average here today on the November oil, I think oil prices, if we're able to break through around the $95 level, that oil prices could potentially quickly shoot up to around $97 a barrel. So that's kind of my short-term target here for right now. If the market does run into some resistance at this level and it doesn't manage to break through, then I think you could start to see oil prices easing back. But nonetheless, there's some great opportunities here, whether you're a bull or bear in the market. Give me a call, shoot me an email. We can get into more detail. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.